Hi friends, we are back with our next vlog. Today we are at the Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary, which is the first flamingo sanctuary in India. It is located on the western bank of the Thane Creek between the Vashi and the Airoli bridges that connect Mumbai with Navi Mumbai. Flamingos come to the creek every year to feed on proliferating blue-green algae. They stay for 6-7 months before they fly back to their breeding grounds. The best time to visit this place is between Jan and May because the number of flamingos are the highest during this period. The highlight of this place has to be the 1-hour boat ride, which happens only during high tides. We booked our tickets in advance by connecting with the Flamingo Sanctuary at their official contact number. There are two types of speedboats here, a 7-seater boat and a 24-seater one. Our guide was knowledgeable and gave detailed information on flamingos. He explained how Mumbai's pollution has actually been a boon for these birds. Recently, the number of flamingos have increased due to a rise in sewage levels at the Thane Creek. This has led to a surge in algae growth, which keeps attracting more and more flamingos. As per a wildlife research organization, 1.3 lakh flamingos have been sighted in the Thane Creek this year. Young flamingos are usually born white or light grey in color. Once they begin to feed on the blue algae, they start turning pink. This is because the algae is loaded with beta-carotene, a chemical that is reddish-orange in color. As the bird's digestive system begins to extract this pigment, its new feathers starts turning pink. You also get to see numerous migratory birds other than flamingos. Exploring the wonderful birds and thousands of flamingos is a lifetime experience. The Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary includes more than 1,600 hectares of mudflats, mangroves and water body between Vashi and Airoli. The area was declared a Flamingo Sanctuary in 2015 and is a home to substantial bird life. You can also take a boardwalk and explore mangroves. At the end of the boardwalk, there is a viewing deck with stunning views of the mangroves and the Airoli bridge. You also get to see flamingos from here during low tide. The sanctuary also has a well-maintained garden, museum and a souvenir shop to explore. Overall, we had a very good experience there, and if you are a nature lover, this is a must visit place in Mumbai. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.